It's my honor to be able to introduce Thurman Thomas. One takeaway I hope for you this afternoon is, gee, if I have a knee problem, what could that be and what are the solutions?
I had a partial tear in my ACL. Not a full tear, but I had a partial tear. But they tried to talk me into having surgery. I was like, no, because the doctor that we had at Oklahoma State, I wasn't letting him touch it.
They found that people have arthroscopic surgery, if you're 50 plus, it pushes you to total knee replacement. Yeah, so don't have arthroscopic surgery if you're 50 plus, unless you just totally can't walk or something like that.
So what they did was they found out that I could wear a brace. I was working with Mike and his product, NuNee, that when I met him 5 years ago, I wasn't sure about my knee. Wasn't really even worried about it. But I was having a lot of pain. I started working with Mike, started doing the product, and started working with the product, and it absolutely really kind of saved my life. Knowing that I have something with me that I can trust when I need it.